Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Computing Concepts of Computer Science. In today's tutorial we are going to learn about arithmetic operators like addition operator, minus operator, multiplication, division, flow division and so on. So let's get started with the basic addition operator. In addition operator we are going to add two different type of data or two similar type of data we can add 2 plus 5, two integer type of values, and after running the statement I will be getting 7. Or we can also add 2.5 plus 6.3. So after executing this we will be getting 8.8. Or we can also do we have a variable a is equals to 20 and another variable b is equals to 25. So we can also add both these variables, and with the help of this addition operator we will be getting 45, like addition of a and b. We can also do it with the help of like print function, which is predefined function already defined in Python's library, and we need not to declare or define it again and again as we have already learned about it so much. So inside print we need to type both these operator in addition and we will be getting 45. So this was the addition operator. Second one we are going to learn about minus operator. So similarly we are having in minus operator like 2 minus 1, and after executing the statement I will be getting 1. We can also do it for the floating type of value, so 2.5, and after executing it I will be getting 2.5. Similarly we are next operator we are having multiplication operator. In this operator we are going to multiply two digits like 5 multiply 2. It will be giving me 10. Multiplication operator. Next we are having division operator, like if we are going to divide 5 divided by 2 and the value will be 2.5. So this will be giving me absolute value which are completely decimal, or it can be a decimal basis value or integer point of value. It can be anything. Next we are having modulus operator, and in modulus operator we will be getting only the mod value, like only the remainder value. Like if I'm going to divide 5 modulus of 2, so what will be the answer? Answer will be remainder, like remainder will be 1, right? So next we are having in flow division. What is flow division? Basically when we are going to divide 5, flow divide like 2 slashes and 2, it is known as flow division. And what flow division does for us, when we are going to execute this statement it will be giving me 2. If we are talking about the division operator, so it will be giving me absolute value like 2.5. And when we are talking about the flow division operator, it will be giving me a integer type of value, like decimal places value will be truncated, right? Next operator we are having the power operator, and what power means is like if we want to do 5 double star 2, so what it means? It means 5 raised to the power 2. So when I'm going to execute this statement, it will be giving me 25. So it means 5 raised to the power 2, yeah, 5 square, right? So we can also do it like cube, so it will be creating a 5 cube. So this will be giving me 125. So it's all about the arithmetical operator. These all are the arithmetical operator of Pythons. We can use it with the help of variables, or we can use it with the help of predefined functions. You can go with it as it is. So for the next session you will be stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye.